Good morning to all. Welcome back to English online classes. I am Revati, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and fine at home. Today, let's discuss punctuation mark in English. There are different types of punctuation mark that are commonly used in English. There are full stop, question mark, exclamation mark,
apostrophe, colon, semicolon,
hyphen, etc. Okay? Just listen to them. Here, it's full stop. It is question mark. This is comma. And this one, exclamation mark. And this one, quotation mark.
this one, colon, this is one, semicolon, and this is apostrophe.
We use the punctuation mark to make a sentence easier to understand.
Punctuation mark, full stop, question mark, comma, exclamation mark, quotation mark, colon, semicolon, apostrophe. Full stop is used at the end of a sentence. Comma used to denote a pause in a sentence.
So, don't worry, in this chapter we have to study only one punctuation mark, that is comma. Comma used as a punctuation mark within a sentence. It makes a sentence easier to understand by separating the item or word in a sentence or a list. A comma makes a sentence easier to understand by separating the items in a sentence. For example, I like to eat apple, orange, grapes and pineapple. Here I am use and I like to eat apple, orange, grapes and pineapple. Here there is no punctuation mark. I like to eat apple, comma, orange, comma, grapes and pineapple. Here we use and. We use and instead of comma before the last item in a sentence. Before the last item. Here is the pineapple is the last item. We use before the last one we use and. Now let's discuss some more sentences. Okay? Listen carefully. Punctuation mark. You need to put the comma and the and also. Okay? The first sentence. Nikki, Tom, John, Peter and Sam are good friends. Nikki, Tom, John, Peter and Sam are good friends. Where we put the commas? Nikki, Tom, John, Peter and Sam. Here we use and before the last item in the list. Okay? The second sentence. Amal wants to visit Paris, Italy, Germany, China. Amal wants to visit Paris, Italy, Germany, China. Here Amal wants to visit Paris, comma, Italy, comma, Germany. Is it comma? No, here we use and because it is China is the last one in the sentence. So, before the last item, we use and. And the third one, my favorite colors are blue, red, pink. My favorite colors are blue, comma, red and pink. After the sentence, we put the full stop also. Okay? The last sentence. I like to go fishing, swimming and hunting. I like to go fishing, comma, swimming and hunting. Now let's discuss textual exercise, page number 35. Okay? Listen carefully. The first sentence the market to buy apples, oranges, mangoes and pineapples. I went to the market to buy apples, oranges, mangoes and pineapples. Where we put the commas? I went to the market to buy apples, comma, oranges, comma, mangoes. Here you write the comma? No, because here we already write the and we use before the last item in the sentence. Here the pineapple is the last item in the list. So we use and pineapples. Okay? And should put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay? Then second sentence. Sneha, Rohit, Leena and Paloma went to watch a film on Saturday. Sneha, Rohit, Leena and Paloma went to watch a film on Saturday. So here Sneha, comma, Rohit, comma, Leena and Paloma. Here we use and before the last name Paloma went to watch a film on Saturday. In the third sentence, Saif ate a paratha, an apple and a salad for breakfast. Here we put the commas. Saif ate a paratha, comma, an apple and a salad. Here we use and before the last item in the list for breakfast. And the next sentence, we saw a giraffe, 2 elephants, a tortoise and a lion at the zoo. We saw a giraffe, 2 elephants, a tortoise and a lion at the zoo. So we put the commas. We saw a giraffe, comma, 2 elephants, comma, a tortoise, comma. Here we want to put the comma? No, because we already used and here before the last one in the sentence. And a lion at the zoo. Okay? The next sentence. My brother chopped the vegetables, cooked rice and boiled the meat today. My brother chopped the vegetables, comma, cooked rice and boiled the meal today.
And we also use a comma when we use time words like soon, after some time, later, yesterday, tomorrow, last month, etc. at the beginning of a sentence. For example, soon a long line of people formed. Here, soon, after the soon, we put comma, a long line of people form. After several days, comma, the queen was disappointed.
Now let's discuss textual exercise, page number 35. How we use comma after the time words. After the time words. Okay. For example, after some time, tomorrow, the day before yesterday, soon, etc. Okay. The first sentence. The day before yesterday, I wrote a poem. The day before yesterday, I wrote a poem. Here we use the time. Yesterday. The day before yesterday is the time. So we use after the time, we can use comma. So here we use the day before yesterday, comma, I wrote a poem. Okay. The second sentence. Every summer, Gobi takes a train to visit his grandmother. Every summer, Gobi takes a train to visit his grandmother. Here we use every summer. It's a time. It's a denote or it indicates a time. Every summer. After every summer, we use comma. Gobi takes a train to visit his grandmother. And the third sentence. Last month, my cousin brought me a pair of goldfish. Last month, my cousin brought me a pair of goldfish. Here we use last month, a time. So after the last month, we use comma. Okay. The fourth sentence. After some time, we closed our books and went to play. After some time, we closed our books and went to play. Here which is the time word? After some time. So here we use comma after some time, comma. We close our books and went to play. And the last sentence, tomorrow we will make a kite. Tomorrow we will make a kite. Here we use a time word. What is that? Tomorrow. So here we use comma. Tomorrow, comma, we will make a kite. Then don't forget to use the full stop at the end of the sentence.
I have attached an assignment. It's your project. Copy these words on a chart paper. Decorate your chart with pictures of nature taken from newspapers and magazines. And try to do it yourself and file it with you.
See you in the next class. Thank you.